Alright, so this is the situation right here. Pond is filling. I put the lotus and lilies there on the side, so it's more spread out. And the waterfall box, which is the overflow, which is the waterfall or waterfall box, and the bog, it's all cleaned out. See how clean it looks? Right there. And that's the ball I use to stop the water while you clean it. So when you clean it by putting water here, it pushes the water underneath. The water doesn't go back to the pond. It comes up and we can empty it out with a pump or scoop it out and use it for your plants. But see how good it looks? So this waterfall box I made with the barrel, and this is like a 55-gallon barrel. I filled half of this with lava rock, which is like this. That's called lava rock. It is porous. It's good for bacteria to grow, the good bacteria that cleans the water. So that's the lava rock. And then I got the river pebbles, and that acts like a filter media. That's called a bog system, where just like a natural bog, it filters the water from the bottom of the water comes from the bottom of the barrel and races up. So this cleans the water out because there's a layer of lava rock, and then there's multiple layers of different sizes of the river pebbles, and that'll help to clean it out. That's how it looks. So the water will take few days to clear up, because it is all mixed up with a lot of sediments. So to settle, the sediments will settle probably in a couple of days, and then it will be very clear. Yep, that's how it looks so far. There's water iris. Alrighty. Got a mint growing. The mint is liking the fish water. So now next I have to do is when the water is full, I'm going to turn on the waterfall, so the pump will pump it up here, and then things will work. And I need to put a little bale of barley hay that will decompose slowly and release hydrogen peroxide, which will keep the water relatively more clean. So that's how it looks so far. Look how much fruit fly it caught. All those are fruit flies that it caught. That was going to eat our that was going to eat the apples. They lay eggs in the fruit. So that's what I had to do to keep it away from those bugs and fruit flies. Alright, please subscribe to our channel.